Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Lechon Kare Kare. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have onions, eggplant, string beans, squash, ground peanuts, bochoy, salt and pepper, olive oil, fish sauce, coconut milk, garlic, peanut butter. We have bread crumbs, and for coloring we have achuete. So we have here our lechon, which I cooked earlier. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cook the sauce and the vegetables. So let's proceed to cooking. In our hot pan here, we're gonna put our olive oil. Cook our onions. We need a minute for this. Let's add our garlic. Right. Give it a minute again. Let's add our fish sauce. Say 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Let's add our squash. And string beans. Let's give it a stir. We'll probably cook this for the next 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Let's add a little water. And we'll cover this. Now let's check our vegetables. Wow, this is half cooked now. So we can add our eggplant. All right. Okay, and then we will put our peanut butter. Okay. All right. So we're gonna give it a good stir. And mix it well before we put the other ingredients. Now we can put our ground peanuts. Okay. There you go. Add a little bit more water. Okay. Mix it well. When we'll cook this for the next 2 minutes. But this time we can add our food coloring, which is the achuete. Okay. And we're gonna wait for 2 minutes So until all of these vegetables are fully cooked. So we'll cover it this time. Let's check our vegetables. Wow, looks good. This time we're gonna put some coconut milk. Okay, not that much. Okay, right, and then give it a stir again. And we'll put a little of ground pepper. Okay. And then we'll wait a couple of minutes. This should be done. Now let's check our kare kare sauce. Wow, it smells so good. This time we're gonna put our bochoy. Okay. So I'll take 30 seconds to cook it, and we can add this now with our lechon. Let's put a little of breadcrumbs, like 2 spoons of breadcrumbs, to make the sauce a little bit thicker. I think it's thick enough. All right. One more minute, and it's done. Here's the finished product. Lechon Kare Kare. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.